Red, orange, yellow, warm colors, right? Green, blue, purple, cool colors, right? Wrong. That's actually not true. In this video, I'm gonna teach you why. To learn about warm and cool colors today, we are going to start with a simple color wheel. So I'm just gonna start with a round object. You can use a plate. I'm just gonna use this roll of tape, and I'm gonna draw a circle. If you don't have a round object, just draw a circle. It's fine. This is a theoretical exercise. It doesn't need a perfect circle. I am going to start by placing a red, a yellow, and a blue down on my circle. Red, yellow, and blue are going to go roughly in a triangle shape on our circle. In fact, sometimes it's fun to even just draw the triangle to help you space them. I am using colored pencils in this demonstration, but you can use any sort of crayon or color medium that you might have at home, watercolor, it doesn't really matter, the concepts are the same. I'm gonna go ahead and put a yellow up here. And I want to make sure that I'm covering my paper. I don't want any white spots interfering with my color. I want a nice even lay. Put my red down here. And I'm gonna put my blue over here. Now, red, yellow, and blue are called primary colors because a lot of other colors can be mixed from red and yellow and blue. Some people say that if you have red, yellow, and blue, that you don't need any other color, that you can mix any color that you want. That's actually not true, but that's for a different video on a different day. Today, we are going to start with our primary colors in order to better understand hue, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and the concept of warm and cool. Once I have my yellow, red, and blue on my color wheel, I'm going to go ahead and place what's called my secondary colors. So if I have yellow and red, that color combined will make orange. And if I combine blue and red, blue plus red equals purple, and yellow and blue will make green. Most people know that yellow and blue makes green because if you ever clean a toilet with the Clorox and then pee in it, you will get green. Orange between yellow and red. Purple between blue and red. And a green between yellow and blue. We now have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple on our color wheel, and those are all hues. Hue is one of three elements of color. We have value, how light or dark the color is, chroma, how intense the color is, don't worry, we'll talk about that in another video, and hue, which is how red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple the color is. When we talk about warm colors and cool colors, what we're actually talking about are the hues of those colors. I have placed a yellow up here on my color wheel, but I have lots of different yellows to choose from. This is also a yellow here, and this is also a yellow. But if you look at these yellows next to each other, they are not the same hue. They are not the same yellow. This yellow is a little bit more towards the green side, and this yellow is a little bit more to the orange side. What I mean by that is this yellow, compared to the yellow on my paper here, it's a little bit more on the green side, whereas this yellow, which is a little bit warmer than the yellow here, leans towards orange. So I can put this yellow here, and you can see that this yellow is warmer than this yellow. I can put this yellow on the other side, and you can see that this yellow feels more green compared to that yellow because it's cooler. This yellow is cooler than that yellow. So every color can be both warm and cool. The only thing that matters is what you're comparing it to. So this yellow is cooler than that yellow, but this yellow is warmer than that yellow. But that's true for every color because this green has a warmer variation of green. A green that leans towards yellow makes green warmer, and a green that leans towards blue makes it cooler. This green here has more blue in it, so it makes cooler. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this green here, and you can see that this green is cooler than that green. This purple has more red in it than blue. So when it goes towards red, we say that purple is warm, and when purple goes towards blue, we say it is cool. So this purple is a warm purple, or it's a cold red. It's both of those things. So if you're comparing it to red, it's cold. If you're comparing it to purple, it's warm. And the moral of the story is that warm and cool colors are all relative to themselves. Something is warm only in comparison to another color, or cool in comparison to another color. All colors are warm and cool.